4 psychological principles to be more attractive. Number 1 is approachability. Most people think attractiveness starts with beauty. And I'm not gonna lie, beauty helps. But if you don't have this core ingredient, which is approachability, an open, warm energy, nobody is going to approach you. Approachability is the impression that you are emotionally safe, open, and receptive. And you'll notice that even if you have someone very attractive and someone less attractive than them, if they are more approachable, they are going to get approached more. Why? Because people are completely terrified of rejection. So if you have someone that's very beautiful but has a cold aura, they're very likely to reject them. So people aren't even going to try. So here's what approachable people look like. Open body language, relaxed facial muscles, warm micro-expressions, slower, softer tone, and attuned eye contact. This cues the other person's nervous system. You can come closer. And research shows that approachability is tied to perceived warmth, which is the strongest predictor of positive first impressions. Number 2 is embracing imperfections, or the pratfall effect. People are more attracted to you when they see your humanity. The pratfall effect shows that competent people become more likable when they make small mistakes. That's because it makes them appear more relatable, human, and accessible. Imperfection just signals authenticity and emotional security. I once met a guy who a lot of women seemed to like, and what stood out was that he was openly talking about his vulnerabilities and his insecurities or shortcomings, and women seemed to really be attracted to that. Similarly, I once had a friend that described herself as quite clumsy, and guys always seem to like that a lot about her. Number 3, strong opinions and values. People aren't drawn to always agreeable, people-pleasing personalities. They're drawn to coherent, strong identities. Someone who knows what they think, knows what they want, and knows what they value. This is a big signal for psychological solidity. Whereas being like a leaf in the wind and changing your opinions just to fit in with others creates psychological mistrust with other people. Because inconsistency signals instability, and instability is unattractive. And number 4, disinhibition, or the confidence to express desire with no fear. By disinhibition, I don't mean recklessness. It means comfort in yourself, with your needs and your desires, without feeling any shame or self-censorship. It's kind of the opposite of self-monitoring and over-controlling yourself. This is one of the most powerful attractors because disinhibition signals authenticity, inner permission, sexual confidence, self-ownership, and emotional liberation. I once had a friend that was on a date with this guy she liked, and they were walking and she just took his hand. And the guy was shook in the moment, but he later told her that he found that very attractive because she owned her desire. She was so disinhibited to just do what she felt like doing, which was just holding his hand. That's what disinhibition is about. Being so comfortable with yourself that you stop acting from anxiety. You act from authenticity. And that is extremely attractive. If you want to learn more about how to become extremely attractive and magnetic in dating, I'm launching a course called Finding Love, where we go over how to become more magnetic, how to unravel your unhealthy dating patterns, and find long-term love and connections. You can find it in the description below.